How to buy Robux with a Visa gift card. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to buy Robux using a Visa gift card. So let's get started by opening any browser in our PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar search for roblox.com and then log in to your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and tap on this Roblox icon at the top right corner and then tap on buy Robux. So once you tap onto it, this page is gonna open up. Now choose a Robux package that you would like to buy. Select the amount and then click onto it. And just like so, you'll be directed to the payment page. Here you'll see an option to use a debit card. Go ahead and simply click onto it. And just like so, inside here you want to go ahead and simply enter your Visa gift card details. After entering the information, you want to go ahead and simply tap on next and complete your payment. And that's it guys, you have successfully purchased Robux using a Visa gift card. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.